You'll remember this bulb. This was from the video Party in the Washimatory sometime back. Oh, what's going on? You having a party in the Washimatory?
Yeah, it actually
works. Oh, you
works.
love that kind, with the washing machine kind and having a whole party kind? Look at that.
It actually works. I can't believe it.
Oh, Dick. Look, look at all the spotses.
Exactly.
Well, I just found something out with it. If you turn this, which is normally motorized, it's a little tough to get going. But you can make the lights flash if you turn it slow, and bright, you know, stay on solid if you turn it like that. Problem with that is it outputs voltage from there. So let's see what kind. Okay, I have it on the AC volt scale. I taped the probe to that because if I hold the probes and try to do this, I will get a shock. Ask me how I know. I don't have a good place for this. So we'll put it like that, and let me change the battery on the camera because that's about dead. $115 volts if you spin it that fast? Holy crap! No wonder. Is that what it said? I lost connection somewhere. Let's try that again. Yeah, you can get 115 volts out of this thing. Dangerous as fuck. Sure, it's not a lot of current, but you sure fucking feel it. If you're touching both the things on it. So the good news is there is probably no real China circuitry to speak of in this. It's simply a the LEDs are probably just on a resistor of some kind with a single diode to rectify it to DC, and that's really about it. I know if this is in the socket where it normally is and I turn it, the lights will not light because that sort of backfeeds everything else and simply cannot provide power to all the stuff that it needs to turn on. I want to see if I have something to try to make this light something. Let me see what I have. Okay, I have this in a plug-to-socket adapter and some ghetto rig wires to the bulb. I have for the Washimatories nothing. So it's really not a lot of current, but you sure feel it. This is, I think, a 7 watt or 7.5 watt bulb or something like that. It can't light that. It's not going to light anything else I have really handy. If I had another LED, which I do, it'll probably blow it up, but we could try that. I have a yellow LED. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's kind of scary. Anyway, I just thought you might find that interesting. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.